Hi everyone! So the other day my friend Alexa and I made vegan pancakes together. Well, actually mainly she made it and I was observing, but anyways, here is a video of us making it. So the first ingredient you need is a banana. Just put a few chunks of it into the blender and then you pour flour into a cup and then transport that cup of flour into the blender. Now it's time to add some soy milk into the mixture, and finally it's blending time. Oh, and we forgot to add some ingredients, and that is baking soda, cuisine coconut, and some what is this called? Vanilla essence. And then it's time to blend again. And this time everything was perfect. It's finally time to pour it all out and prepare to cook. Here is Alexa getting that pan ready for cooking, and ooh, the shot is so pleasing to look at. I mean, after all, it's the sign of amazing food being made. Meanwhile, Alexa was busy making the pancakes themselves. I finally started to help out a bit, well, with the toppings. Okay, aren't strawberries such beautiful little things? I mean, they are just so cute and delicious. Ooh, random thing, vegan Nutella is so delicious.
It's too thick.
You know what?
You get the butter. It's so cute. That'd be cool to see her.
Food does not have to look good.
Your enzymes are efficient. You're just gonna break it down anyway.
Yes. And now it's finally time to eat. And it was actually really delicious. And yeah, so I hope that you all liked this video. And if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you all next week with another video. Bye!